we are actually going to do an exercise. I'm going to take some 10 random words now. And I bet you are going to remember all those 10 words. Not only those 10 words, but in the same order. Order में भी गड़बड़ नहीं होगा. 1 to 10 जो रहेगा, same to same रहेगा. And you are not going to try to remember it. Don't even force yourself to remember. Don't write it down while I speak those 10 words. All right? Ready? I'm telling those 10 words randomly that come to my mind. I'm booklet guy, so the first word has to be book. Okay. Second word is bottle, water bottle, Bisleri ka bottle. Third word is car. Okay, car, any car. Fourth word is river. Fifth, teacher. Sixth, tiger. 7, fan. 8, train. 9, pencil. 10, Facebook. Enough? चाहो तो add कर सकते हैं, but I think 10 words are enough. So I took some 10 random words, and you just have to close your eyes now and listen to me. Okay, please don't go to sleep. I know you are at your home with the AC on. Okay. The first word was, I'm going to use those 2 rules now to help you remember these 10 words. All right. First word was book, and the second word was bottle. Now, as I said, we always tend to forget normal things which can happen easily in our daily life. So I'm not going to say there is a book and I keep a Bisleri bottle on it. ये तो हो सकता है ना easily. रोज होता है हमारी लाइफ में. हमको exaggerate करना है, dramatize करना है. तो सास बहू सीरियल में कैसे हल्का सा ऐसा भी ढैंड 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 ऐसा क्यों करते हैं वो? To dramatize so that they're embossing memory in your brains so that you are compelled to come back for the next episode. Okay, हमको larger than life create करना है. So what I do is I take a book, I squeeze it mercilessly. See, the booklet guy is doing this. बड़ा पाप कर रहा है. मैं इसको तरोड़ मरोड़ के फाड़ के बिस्लेरी का जो बॉटल का जो ये माउथ है मुंह में से मैं बुक को घुसा रहा हूं बॉटल के अंदर. Practically impossible, but it is possible in our imagination. Now I have put that out of shape book inside the bottle. I take that Bisleri bottle, and the next word is car. The normal thing is I keep that bottle inside the car on the seat. Maza nahi aa raha hai. It's usual, normal. I keep it on the roof of the car. And the car starts driving without a driver. Oh my God. We are ahead of America. Driverless cars are already in India. Okay. So the car is driving without a driver. And because it has to cross a river, the car sees a bridge. Okay. The word bridge is not part of our list, but river is. And the car goes on the bridge and stops. It takes a halt. On that bridge is standing your favorite teacher. The next word after river is teacher. Try to imagine your favorite teacher. Try to imagine all the details of your favorite teacher. What kind of dress he or she is wearing. And he or she is standing on the bridge. And that bottle which is on the rooftop of the car is your teacher's favorite bottle. And the bottle starts shaking and falls into the river. And because it was your teacher's favorite bottle, your teacher screams, "Nahi!" and dives into the river to save that bottle. Crazy, right? Now that teacher goes down to the bottom of the river, to the bed of the river, and what she sees is a tiger. A ferocious tiger is there at the bottom of the river. Now the usual thing is that the tiger will eat your teacher, but हमको usual things करना नहीं है, हमारे में बहुत खुजली है ना. So what we do is your teacher and the tiger become friends. They shake hands, they hug each other, they exchange their Facebook profiles. All right. Now they feel suffocated because they are inside the waters. They can't breathe. So they decide to come out of the river and help each other. Luckily, they see a helicopter coming from the sky, but this is a special helicopter. उसका जो फैन है ना, पंखा, वो नीचे है. It is an उल्टा helicopter. So the fan ऐसा नीचे है, वो घूम रहा है. So next word is obviously fan. And the helicopter immerses into the waters of the river. Both your teacher and the tiger hold the blades of the fan, and they are safely coming out of the river, and they are flying in the sky. Just imagine, दोनों उड़ रहे हैं, हाथ पे पकड़ा है उन्होंने हेलीकॉप्टर का फैन, और वो हवा में उड़ रहे हैं. Yeah. Now their hand starts paining, and so they want to now land on earth. They see a train. Now this train is not a passenger train, it's a cargo train. और कार्गो ट्रेन ओपन रहता है ना, और उसमें मिट्टी रेती है. So they decide that it is safe to jump and land on that train which is full of mud or sand. And so they jump and they land safely. The train is running, and it is about to cross a tunnel. एक tunnel आता है. But the problem is the tunnel is blocked with huge giant pencils. The next word is pencil. So everybody goes panic on the train because the train is going to meet with an accident because the tunnel is blocked with huge pencils. But the motorman, the driver of the train, is Mr. Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, the owner of Facebook. Here comes the word Facebook. And he makes an announcement that don't panic. It's okay. I'll handle the situation. I'll stop the train just before it bangs against the pencils. You can now open your eyes. Okay, now this was a crazy story. Okay, written by Booklet Guy. Now, if you notice, I tried to make the stories as much illogical as possible because illogical things don't happen in our daily life. Okay, a pencil, somebody was writing with a pencil inside the train. मैंने ऐसा boring story नहीं बनाया. मैंने pencils को giant pencils बना के उसको tunnel में लगा दिया. All right. Now I want you to switch on your audios. Let there be a chaos. Everybody should switch on your audio. Unmute yourself, and you are going to tell me the story. And as a byproduct of 10 I'm going to say. Are you ready?
Yes.
The first word. Book को मैंने क्या किया?
बॉटल में
डाला. बॉटल को किधर रखा? कार के किधर रखा? सीट पे या ऊपर? कार. उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
कार अपने आप चलने लग गई.
Is crossing the bridge. Is bridge part of the list or river? ब्रिज पे कौन खड़ा है?
टीचर, फेवरेट टीचर.
टीचर ने क्या किया? रिवर.
लेने के लिए नीचे.
योर टीचर मीट्स whom under the water? उसके बाद क्या होता है?
वो लोग फ्रेंड बन गए.
हेलीकॉप्टर इज पार्ट ऑफ द लिस्ट.
अभी नहीं, पहले तो वो लोग फ्रेंड बने.
Fan is the part of the list. Yes. Now what happens? They both are hanging on the fan. But land on the train.
Cargo train.
जा रहा है. What happens?
Pencil.
And then Mark Zuckerberg or Facebook? Facebook. You are memory masters. Give a big hand to yourself. Okay, please mute yourself. अभी मुझे बताओ, मेमोरी का IQ से, स्मार्टनेस, इनबॉर्न टैलेंट, क्या क्या बड़े बड़े वर्ड यूज करते हैं, क्या घंटा इससे कुछ लेना देना है? इनफैक्ट आई वुड से मेमोरी हैज टू डू विथ क्रेजीनेस, नो रैंडमनेस, इलॉजिकल नॉनसेंस थिंग्स. और ये मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूं, द वर्ल्ड चैंपियन ऑफ मेमोरी इज सेइंग दिस, हैरी लॉरेन. Okay, so there is nothing called good memory or poor memory. There is only trained memory and untrained memory, and we have trained our memory now. Okay, now I know some type of questions must be arising in your mind. So you must be thinking, ऐसे words तो थोड़े पढ़ाई में होते हैं, ये तो एकदम simple words थे which I can see, touch or feel. A book, a bottle, we can touch, see and feel. They are clear nouns. They all were nouns, right? What if there is a word like economy? ओके, तो इकोनॉमी को कैसे याद रखेंगे? सो यू हैव टू यूज योर क्रिएटिविटी, देयर इज नो लिमिट टू योर क्रिएटिविटी. ओके, अगर इकोनॉमी वर्ड ये 10 लिस्ट में आता तो मैं क्या करता ना, इकोनॉमी इज समथिंग एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, आई कैन से दिस इज इकोनॉमी. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, इको, द वर्ड इको रिमाइंड्स मी द इको कार ऑफ मारुति. इट्स अ फ्लॉप कार, but I know that car. If you don't know that car, you can come out with some other word. So जब eco car is an absolute noun. I can see, touch and feel. Whenever I remember the word eco car, I will remember the word economy. It's up to you how to creatively associate using all the nonsense logic and associate anything, break down that word, कुछ भी करो. For example, another word could be partnership. पार्टनरशिप इज अगेन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउ. अभी जब भी मैं पार्टनरशिप वर्ड आता है तो मुझे याद आता है मोदी एंड अमित शाह. इट्स अ पर्सनल ओपिनियन. ओके ओके, राहुल गांधी फैंस, आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज फॉरगिव मी, इट्स जस्ट एन एग्जांपल हियर. ओके, सो पार्टनरशिप मींस मोदी एंड अमित शाह. सो आई विल विजुअलाइज देम. व्हेनेवर आई विजुअलाइज मोदी एंड अमित शाह, आई विल रिमेंबर द वर्ड पार्टनरशिप. सो एग्जाम में क्या करना है, व्हेन यू हैव टू स्टडी फॉर योर, प्रिपेयर फॉर योर एग्जाम्स, you have those 5 points as part of the answer. You usually have those keywords. The moment you have that keyword, you can recollect the entire paragraph or few lines. So keywords, 5 keywords को आपको ये story बनाना है. Are you getting my point? Using these 2 rules, that you always remember what you see and you always tend to forget what you read or listen. Rule number 2, you always remember tragic, non-routine, unusual events. And you always forget routine, रोजमर्रा जिंदगी के events.